Hello students, today we are going to see about a new topic, matter. What is matter? All objects exist around us are made of some kind of matter. Let us see what do matter is composed of. Matter in any physical state is composed of smaller particles such as atom, molecules or ions. Molecules are also made up of atoms of same or different kinds. Hence, atoms are the building blocks of matter. Atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which exhibits all the properties of that element. It may or may not exist independently but takes part in every chemical reaction. Let us see what are molecules. Atoms of the same element are different elements combined to form a molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle of a pure substance which can exist independently and retain the physical and chemical properties of the substance. Ions. Atoms or group of atoms having a charge that may be positive or negative are called ions. These are the examples for atoms, molecules and ions. Symbol of elements. Name of an element is represented by shortened form called as symbol. Symbol is an image, object, etc. that stands for particular meaning. Each element in chemistry has unique symbol. Let us see about some kinds of symbol. Greek symbol. The symbols in form of the geometrical shapes were those used by the ancient Greeks to represent the four basic elements around us such as earth, air, fire and water. This picture shows the Greek symbols. Next, let us see about alchemist symbol. In the days of alchemists, the different materials that they used were represented by the symbols while they tried to change less valuable metal into gold. The process was called alchemy and the men who did this work were known as alchemists. These are the alchemist symbols. Dalton symbol. John Dalton, English scientist, tried to name the various elements based on the pictorial symbols. These symbols are difficult to draw and hence they are not used. It's only of historical importance. These are the Dalton symbols. Now we should know about pictorial symbols. These are the pictorial symbols. Berzelius symbol. John Jacob Berzelius devised a system using a letter of alphabet rather than signs. This modified version of Berzelius system follows under the heading System for Determining Symbols of the Elements. Let us see about the present system. The first one, most of the elements use first letter of their English name. See the table. The first letter of every element has made as the symbol. Next one, some of the elements may have same starting letter. In such case, symbol use the first two letters of its element name. For every element, first two letters are taken as symbols, whereas first letter is in capital and the second letter is in small letter. First two letters are the same, then along with the first letter, second or third letter to be used. See the first two elements, argon, arsenic. For both, the first letter and the second letters are the same. So for argon, Ar is the symbol, and arsenic, As is the symbol. Symbols based on their old names or Latin names. For sodium, the Latin name is natrium and the symbol is Na. And check for the rest of the elements. The next one is symbols based on the name of country, scientist, color, mythological character or planet. For example, from Mercury, the mythological character god Mercury has been taken. So the symbol is Hg. Do you know how to write the symbol for a given element? If the element has a single letter as a symbol, it should be written in capital letter. For elements having two letter symbols, the first letter should be in capital followed by a small letter. What is the significance of the symbol of an element? Name of the element. For example, O stands for the element oxygen. Next one is one atom of the element. O also represents one atom of oxygen. Thank you.